Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create or add new user account in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and search here NetPLViz. Now right click on this and run as administrator. On this window you will find here Add button. Click on Add button. On this window click on Sign in without Microsoft account. Now click on Local account. Now write the name of username that you want to create. Now write the password and confirm password and write the hint. It should be alphabetics. And now click on Next button. Finish this. You can see here user account has been created. Hope so. This simple and easy step that you can follow to create new user account in Windows 11. See you another video. Goodbye.